Bw'abadde ayogerako eri abavubuka ne bannabitone ab'enjawulo, omuyimbi Nsimbi Ernest amanyikiddwa ennyo nga GNL Zamba akubiriza abavubuka okukola bye bakola nga tebeetiririra nga bagenda mu maaso.
Most people I realize batya banaakiraba batya n'abeera mu banaakiraba batya naye kasita bwejjukiza mu bwongo bwo nti osobola okufa enkya and it won't matter. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So once you know that at the back of your mind, you're brave enough to do everything. Abanaseka bajja kuseka, abanakinyumirwa bajja kinyumirwa. But that's the bravery that I have, right?
Ng'okwogera bino asinzidde mu lulaga lwa firimu olw'omulundi ogwokubiri olwa firimu gye baafulumizza ye ne mukyala we Miriam Tamar ku kizimbe kya German Cultural Center e Kamwokya. Miriam Tamar, mukyala wa GNL Zamba, atubuulidde ekigendererwa kwe basinziira okuzannya firimu eno.
We tried to piece together a story with the music, and we knew we wanted it to take place in Uganda. And we knew we were going to tie it together with poetry and dance and beautiful visuals. So once you have that idea, we created a story about a brother and sister and how they go through a fight or difficulties with each other, but the way they find each other back to each other.
Zamba agamba bannabitone n'abayiiya kibakakatako okubeera basaale mu kutumbula eggwanga Uganda okulituusa ku mutendera gw'ensi yonna.
This is the start of the Renaissance. It's the very start of that ownership, of that duty, of that purpose. Whether you're being paid or not, it is our duty to brand Uganda and shape and change the perception of Uganda internationally through film.
Abavubuka, abayiiya ne bannabitone ab'enjawulo baanirizza amagezi, obuvumu n'obukodyo obw'enjawulo obwateereddwa mu firimu eno era nga bagamba bingi bye bayize.
I'm really very grateful that I came here today to watch the premiering of Infinity. For me, it spoke to the work that Africans are doing, the heritage, the culture, the work creatives are trying to build. I came here to enjoy the movie, but then I got connected back to nature. What I take away from the movie is thank you to being bold as an industry, to the leaders that are in the industry. I thank them for the boldness they are giving us. I also thank them for the confidence they're giving us.
I came today to get a lot of knowledge from the OG GNL Zamba and also to experience this movie, which is an extension of his art, and get some game on how to move as an artist, being an artist myself. And I feel like I've got all that because he has given us a lot of pointers in the Q&A after, very resourceful. All that was explained is resourceful even in my own journey as an artist. It was a fulfilling experience. The people who didn't come to the experience missed to experience a beautiful piece of art and to also get knowledge on how the art came to be and the purpose of art and get knowledge from GNL. Yeah, they missed on that.
I've experienced a lot of things in a way that it tells about the African culture and the background of the African people and all that, and to the Uganda movie industry. It's a very big opportunity that this movie will represent Uganda at the international level.
Bawereddwa amagezi ag'enjawulo nti nabo basobola okutandikawo ekintu kyabwe ate ne kiviirayo ddala nga bwe bakyagala.
Brian Pascal Sekitto ne Doreen Naroga Kigongo, PBS TV, wano mu Kampala.
Era ng'ekirooto kyange Mukama kibadde kyakusembererako era sigenda kuba nga sifunye na kafaananyiko sigenda kuba nga sikafunye.